Ladies and gentlemen, distinguished guests, it's a great honor to have been asked to speak today as we acknowledge the significant milestone achieved between Telix Pharmaceuticals and Kanazawa University in receiving clinical trial notification by the PMDA to commence a phase 1 study of Telix's prostate cancer imaging agent in Japan. Were it not for COVID-19, I would very much have enjoyed being in Japan in person to mark this important occasion. Hopefully, we'll all be in a position soon to recommence international travel, as I'm keen to witness firsthand the outstanding progress being made by Telix's Japanese team and our academic and clinical collaborators. Japan has long been considered to be a global leader in nuclear medicine research, and it's our great honor to be working with Kanazawa University, which has the oldest department of nuclear medicine in Japan. As many of you will be aware, the incidence of prostate cancer in Japan is now over 100,000 patients per year, with this figure expected to rise in coming years. While there have been recent and meaningful improvements in the treatment of prostate cancer worldwide, unfortunately, more than 13,000 Japanese men still die from this disease each year. Due to high rates of screening and early diagnosis, most men receive local therapy, either a prostatectomy or a radiotherapy, and may be cured of their disease. However, approximately 15% of men will ultimately develop advanced disease. Consequently, there is an urgent need to detect early metastatic disease and a significant unmet medical need for effective new therapies in this patient population. I suppose as Japanese lifestyle becomes more similar to a Western lifestyle, prostate cancer will also become more prevalent. PSMA imaging has emerged as a new standard of care in prostate cancer imaging globally and is already included in clinical practice guidelines in the United States and Europe. Together with Kanazawa University, we are taking a first critical step towards providing this breakthrough imaging technology to Japanese patients. The purpose of this phase 1 study is to obtain preliminary clinical data in a suitable patient population, confirming that the targeting and pharmacology of TLX591-CDx in Japanese patients is equivalent to non-Japanese patients or our experience elsewhere in the world. Such clinical data will support future planning discussions with the objective of PMDA product approval in Japan in the future. The phase 1 study, which will initially enroll 10 patients with advanced prostate cancer, will be the very first clinical trial involving the use of gallium-based PSMA imaging in Japan. With a well-established and mature nuclear medicine sector, Japan was identified very early on as a key country in Telix's overall commercial strategy. We launched our Japanese subsidiary in early 2018, just months after listing as a public company on the Australian Securities Exchange. So it's fair to say that Telix Japan has been a core part of our business and Telix's DNA since the very beginning. In 2021, serving patients in the Asia-Pacific region is a key strategic focus for Telix, and momentum in Japan will be important to increasing clinical trial recruitment and commercial activity in other countries in the region. I'd like to take this opportunity to thank Kanazawa University's Departments of Nuclear Medicine and Urology, the Innovative Clinical Research Center, and the Kanazawa Advanced Medical Center for their excellent support in bringing this important clinical study to life. Thank you for your attention. Go seichou arigatou gozaimashita. Thank you.